today we're going to install belly pan saver from Precision EFI. So I pulled off the left side. Alright, so we gotta pull the air box off so we can get to the front of this. With the T25. Now let's pull this up. See what we got. I wonder if there's something behind this that holds it. Might be just taking this off for nothing, but we'll see. Oh, look at that, huh? It's got a couple of hoses. We got a couple hoses we got to push through. Just get out of the way. This will probably be fun to get back on. Okay, so that opens this right up. Okay, so now let's see if we can get this thing in here. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. And this must go up on top. This must drop down through there like that, and then go through the hole like that. And then you put your nut on. And I'm going to put Loctite on that because I don't trust it. I don't trust it. Okay. I wonder what size that is. That looks about an 8, maybe a 10. Let's see. It's a 10. 10 millimeter. I put Loctite on that because I don't want that falling off in the clutch. Okay, so now we got to bolt up the bottom half. So we got to put this guard in here. Slip this in somehow. There we go. Alright. So I'm going to put a little Loctite on these. Am I even going to be able to get the screw over in this corner? All right. All right, so get this light on, and I gotta have. Alright, so this gold one goes in the floorboard. Tighten that one up all the way till I get this one in. Jeepers, kicking you guys all over. Gonna have the long one for. Alright, so we'll tighten these two up. Oof. Alright. So tighten this one. And then we'll tighten this one. Now we got to put that foot guard in. The old foot guard. How are we doing that? Huh? So that's going to go like this. These two long ones will go through here. And these two go underneath. Run them up till they. Same with these. And I'll snug them up with a little ratchet so I know how much I'm tightening them. That little ratchet don't know its own strength. Secure those fasteners. There. Okay, now we gotta put that air box back on. So we gotta fandangle these two hoses in there. Oh, I think I'm gonna give them a yank. Alright, so this has got to sit somehow. That's got to sit. Got to get that right around there. There we go. Now we can't forget we got that screw that's got to go in there. snug that up. It's going into plastic. I think we got that sorted. Now we got to put this back on. This air filter. It's kind of strange. Okay, now we just put that cap back on. Another one down. Okay, so we got this all installed. That's tight. These are tight. Torque to the drive shaft shavers. Torque to 30 foot-pounds. That's tight. That's back on. All right.